So I've been using the LG 27G640A for a while now, and here's my honest take. This is a 27-inch QHD IPS gaming monitor, and the big selling point is that 300 Hz refresh rate. And yeah, in fast-paced games like Valorant or CS2, it feels insanely smooth. Motion clarity is definitely the highlight here. Color-wise, it's actually pretty solid. You're getting that 95% DCI P3 coverage, so games look vibrant without going overboard. HDR 400 is, okay, nothing crazy, but it adds a bit of pop in brighter scenes. Build quality is what you'd expect from LG Ultra Gear. Clean design, good ergonomics, full height and pivot adjustment, which I really like. Now the downsides? It's still an IPS panel, so contrast isn't amazing, and blacks look a bit gray in dark rooms. Also, at lower refresh rates, you might notice a bit of overdrive behavior depending on settings. So is it worth it in 2026? If you're a competitive gamer chasing high refresh rates, yes. For everyone else, there are better balanced options.